In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change conversation background on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app, and after that just get into some conversation. On WhatsApp we can set custom wallpaper or background for each particular conversation. To do that, at the very top, tap at conversation's name and then wallpaper and sound. Then choose new wallpaper, and there we can select any wallpaper from suggested. Just like that, we can choose solid color. It will show us the preview, and once we tap at set, new wallpaper will be set as a wallpaper for that conversation. Also in here we can tap at photos and then choose some photo from our camera roll to set it as background on WhatsApp. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.